guy's been in a lot of stuff that I've watched, so.
Huh. The cameraman?
He's in, if you look him up, he's in a ton of stuff.
Oh, interesting.
Like, quite a few movies and a ton of different TV shows, whether it was like an episode or more.
Yeah, yeah.
He's in The Mandalorian, even.
Wait, what?
And the Book of Boba Fett, yeah. Tonti? I don't know how you say it.
Wow. Okay.
And he voiced Neil in the video game, The Last of Us. That's kind of cool.
That's fascinating.
It's okay.
Huh.
Anyway, I had to look that up because it was gonna bother me.
No, that was really interesting.
Hey, shitheads!
I'm gonna find out that it's like a random drama student that we don't even know, and it's just like he's really into like creating these scary scenarios.
Nobody's ever enjoyed my drama or appreciated it before, so I created real drama. Oh my gosh.
Is that you, Randy? What movie is this from? I spit on your garage. Who's the outfit? Is Sydney Caesar?
That was for you, Jeremy.
Oh, you want to play Psycho Cat?
Spit on your garage.
Can I be the helpless victim? Okay.
Yes, you can.
No, please don't kill me, Mr. Ghostface. I want to be in the sequel. Cut, Casper. That's
Is she in the sequel?
What are you doing?
Everybody gets a good shot in on him, and I love it.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, that's another good one. Oh. She's kicking ass.
It's like reminding me of Scooby-Doo for some reason.
A little.
Yeah,
little
she's
bit.
kind of wearing a Velma outfit.
Yeah. And then they always wear a mask, and they take off the mask. Oh gosh. That was very what's that series of movies? It was very Final Destination-y.
Yeah, it was.
That death.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, Billy, hey.
Billy.
His timing is terrible.
Yeah.
I can talk to Sid alone.
You know, if Tatum sees you here, she'll drop blood.
I'll tell you what, once you guys go up to my parents' room, you guys can talk. Whatever. Subtleties too, you should look it up.
No, it's okay. We do need to talk.
It's like,
Look at him. He's like, ooh,
I
but
can
in
get
your
my
book,
penis touched.
talk means something else, right?
He's already
Let
taking his
us
clothes
see.
off.
You came to make it up.